All right, join me for another price quote job on a construction cleanup. You're going to see a lot of these construction cleanup jobs throughout my channel. I guess apparently I'm getting back into it. I used to do this before, but I ain't going to even lie, man. I'm approaching it a whole different way. Excuse me. Excuse me. I'm going to be approaching this a whole totally different way from what I'm used to. Before, I ain't gonna even lie, y'all. I done hacked some windows up that I didn't do on purpose. I just saw what I did, but I noticed it, but I don't know if they noticed it. But, I could clean windows blindfolded. I never said I could clean windows, scrape windows blindfolded. Because it sure as heck looked like somebody blindfolded my ass on them. I done tore some windows up scraping them. And that was because I didn't know the glass was so soft. By the time I got the soap off and I looked at it on that angle, man, woo, buddy, you should have seen the look. I ain't gonna even lie, man. But now I know not to put a razor to temper glass. There's other ways of getting debris off the glass without scraping them. I hope you guys know this. You will see me do some unconventional ways, but it'll work. So let's go in and price this job together, man. Tell me what y'all would charge. As you can see, all the ledges are dusty. So, yeah, it's not too bad of a job in here. It's just dusty. The ledges, which is no big deal. I'm gonna have to. There's a window over here too. But this little job right here, I'm gonna be able to do without ladders. Now Marcus, how are you gonna get all the way up there and do the watch me, watch me, watch me. You gotta improvise. When there's a will, there's a way. I'm gonna get up there. I'm gonna wipe all the ledges, and I'm gonna do it all from the ground. Y'all gonna watch me. All right. So what are we talking about here? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. 33 windows in and out. And it looks like this is going to be even more glass. I don't know where this is going. This may be an entranceway, I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking. Because you see the pillars here, so this is probably going to be a little enclosure. Before you actually come into place, it's going to be a little breezeway. Or, hey, how's it going? So that's probably going to have 1, 2, 3. You're having an entranceway right here, right? How many pieces? Because I'm going to be probably cleaning the windows here. How many glasses is this right here?
I don't know, probably 1, 2.
Do you know offhand?
No, I mean that's. I mean it is.
It's no big deal, but I just want to make sure. If you got the blueprints, I can look at that.
Yeah, but it won't show that vestibule. I don't think
Not yet.
Well, don't show the. It's only. I mean, it's going to be glass all the way here.
Okay, all the way here. Okay, from top to bottom.
Top to bottom. That's the frames there.
Okay. All right.
All the glass there.
All right. Let me see how many glass you have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, I got it. 8 pieces of glass. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. All right, that's 41 pieces of glass. All right, so we got 41 pieces of glass in and out. And let's have our quotes. Comment below. Let's get it on and popping. Let's get these numbers going. I haven't really decided on calling him today about these numbers, but I'm gonna wait a few days. I'm gonna make him sweat before I give him these numbers, cause I gotta get used to pricing construction cleanup again. I'm like a rusty nail, man. I'm rusty as all heck. Not cleaning them, because I just don't want to approach it like I approached construction cleanup before. So I'm rusty when it comes to pricing, because I just don't remember how much time was involved, which is why I probably stopped doing it and stopped pursuing it, because I just got annoyed scratching glass and just in general spending too much time on it than I anticipated. So I have to the 17th to get these numbers in, so you guys can come along and watch me get down on this account. And I'm gonna go about this. See, head level, I'm gonna do it by hand. What I mean by hand is I'm gonna do it without scratching the glass by hand, but the upper part, if there's anything that needs to be scraped, y'all gonna see me bronze and steel wool combination on my handy sleeve. And I have some other methods to get debris off the glass without scraping it and getting up close on the window and doing it all from the ground. All right. At least this will give you guys some ideas on how to not scrape up any glass yourselves, you know. Now, my methods will be a little bit unconventional and something that maybe you're not used to seeing. But see, then again, it'll work for me, but maybe not for you guys. Some of you guys may not mind climbing up on the ladders and getting up on the glass. I'm not doing that no more, you know? But that doesn't mean that the job can't get done by doing that. And it can still get done right if you know what you're doing. This is what you want to be looking at to see how I get these things done without getting up on ladders. Because maybe one day you will be impulsed to do the same. We're not getting any younger. We're getting older. It's time to work smarter, not harder. So this will give you some ideas of your own, so it'll alleviate you hacking up windows. Don't do as I do. Seek as I sought. You know, I've hacked up windows in the past, but there's a reason why it happened. You know? Mac and Fracker.